For 15 years, I've been interested in goals and goal setting. Want to know everything from the psychology to the neuroscience to the discipline involved in achieving a goal. Fundamentally, a goal is simply a lagging indicator. It is the culmination of tiny, small steps. Whatever goal it is, it has to have small steps before. Nothing happens on accident. If you want to learn a new language, unless you're born as a baby into this country where they speak it, if it's your second language, you need to put consistent efforts over time. The same thing with exercise, making more money, getting a job, getting a promotion. It needs consistent efforts over time. But we know that big goals are just simply the sum of small tasks. But what small tasks do we do to achieve these big goals? That's the question. You wake up, you go on social media, there's so much advice, so much information out there, but a lot of goals have constraints, foundations, just a few things that you have to do to achieve these goals. You can always do things to make the goal go faster. You can have some shortcuts, but to be on the journey, there are some non-negotiables. So here's the prompt. It talks about the inputs. You can call these your inputs, your causes, your leading indicators. You need 3 of them. I need to ask AI, if I do this consistently and correctly, are these the top 3 things that will get me to my goal as fast and as efficiently as possible? If you're like me who wants to know why this works, you can add this other section of the prompt, which will let you know why it works. And it's very important to make it feel actionable. So you go into the last part, which is a step-by-step, what should I do? So that's the easy part. ChatGPT, once you insert your goal, AI is going to tell you exactly what you need to do. The difficult part is actually doing these things consistently. When I mean consistently, I mean consistently. The reason why we don't have our big goals is because we haven't put the hours in to those big goals. So now we need to start right now to put those hours in. There's no way around it. Some goals might take 2 years. Some goals might take 5. Some goals might take 10 years. But the reason why you don't have it now is because you haven't put in those 2 years, 5 years, or 10 years. So it starts right now. That's the most difficult part. I'm building an AI assistant to help you with your goals. It's called Zendu. Link in the description below.